Today we're going to put up or assemble a pull-up bar, and those are the pieces over there. So we are going to assemble this thing. So this is going to be very interesting. So here we go. Alright, so what you do is you grab this thing. This is the part that's, well, I'll explain the whole thing afterwards. You'll see how it works. Basically, take two screws right here, and you stick them in the little notch things right here, like that. You gotta screw it in, basically. Because if you don't, I tried to hit it in one time, but there's like little, something in there that makes it, you're supposed to screw it in, so I don't know about the whole thing. So, basically, let me screw this thing in. Alright. Ah, there it goes. Then you gotta do the same with the other side. Fun, isn't it? So then after that, so you got the two things in there now. Cool. So now here's these two things right here. Now, yeah, we'll have to check that out. Then, basically, because basically it goes in like that. See, let's just kind of lost the instructions. So basically we're gonna have to put this thing together like this. Yeah. So basically put it together like this. And then you gotta put screws in with it. Oh, wait, no, not like that. Well, actually, I do have the instructions. I'm just not sure where to put them, where I put them. So basically, all right. So, let's put this thing together first. That's the part I know about. That's the old part. That's a pretty sturdy pole, let me tell you. You could whoop someone's tail with that. So, now all you do is you put the screws in right in here, because there's like places where you can put screws in and stuff. And here. If I can get the right area to put it in. Yeah. This thing will cooperate with me. It's not being very willing to cooperate with me, though. Which is an unfortunate thing. Because when things don't cooperate, then they just don't cooperate. And you gotta screw it in. Like that. Gotta do because this thing's made to hold 250 pounds, but I don't weigh 250 pounds, so we don't have to worry about the weight limit on this thing with me because I don't weigh 250 pounds, as you all know. I weigh about, I don't know, 120, 125, somewhere there. Now that's a good stick. You could really beat someone over the head with that thing. Whoosh. Yeah. So, basically, or you could use it as a baton, you know. So, now we just got to find out where the pieces and parts go. Here's just grooves for these. And you gotta put it on the thing right here. Whoops. Oh yeah, you gotta put the little notch thing. I can't remember the name of these things, but then you gotta put those things right in there. You gotta, it's like a holder thing. Then you stick it on. Yeah. Well, that's a problem. That thing is too small. So basically, we made a mistake, or I made a mistake. So let me figure this thing out really quick, so I can remember how it goes. Because to be honest with you, I don't know how it goes completely. Let's actually put the big bar on first. Oh yeah, yeah. I think I know how this thing works now. So take that. Where's the screw? Oh, it's already over here. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta put that thing in there. And you gotta put it in there. This cracks me up. And then, yeah. Then you gotta do the whole process over again. Oh, I think the mistake I made the other day, the other time, is that it wasn't tight enough. So then you gotta tighten this bad boy up, if there's no tomorrow. So once you tighten this thing up, oh snap, I'm not willing to, that is a problem. It's really loose, but we'll worry about that in time to come. So basically like that again. Then you gotta basically do that. Yep. See, I'm not really good when it comes to putting, assembling things together. If I don't know what I'm doing, which I somewhat know what I'm doing. Not completely though, but that's okay. Try and error type deal. Some things you gotta learn by yourself. Yeah, unfortunately. Then you tighten it up again. So we got that part in there. Now we gotta figure out how to. Yeah, I see the problem. Ah, I got you. Oh, yeah. Yep. Because you gotta put the thing in there, like that. And then you gotta put the little, gotta put the nuts and bolts together. Yeah. That works. And then you gotta just tighten it with a little thing. A little wrench, you know, that little thing. Yep. So that part's pretty tightened up. And then we gotta do the same thing over here. Basically, put it over here. And then we put it over here. You tighten her up again. I need to learn how to do this more efficiently and quickly. Yeah. So then you just tighten it up again. Yeah, I need to get a pull-up bar because I've heard pull-ups are really helpful to build muscle and whatnot. Which, if that's the case, then, you know, doing pretty good. There we go. Now we gotta tighten this part up even more than we did before. And actually, you can also, well, this is kind of loose, but I can tighten that up later. Basically, what you do is you can do push-ups on it too, like that. You know, put your hands here and then go, you know, like a normal push-up, like I'll show you guys. And you can do like a pull-up bar too. I'll show you that. Basically, like this. It's a little loose, but I can tighten it up later. Go like this. So you can do that. And then you also use it as a pull-up bar on me and my dad made pull-up bar. Put it on the top right there where those bars are. Right here. And then you put it up there and you can do pull-ups. So it's pretty cool. I like it. So, but my mom is redoing my room in a couple months. So unfortunately, I won't be able to keep that pull-up bar. So I'm going to have to figure out somehow else to make a pull-up bar. Or do a pull-up bar. Because I kind of need it. Because in the military they make you do pull-ups like it's nobody's business. So, that is how you put together a bar. So, yes, I hope that helped. If it didn't, well, I guess, sorry, did not help you. Alright, well, you all have a great day. Be safe and have fun. Goodbye.